And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Mike, the FX bot, broadcasting you live on YouTube. How is the sound? Sound okay, everybody? Sound check, sound check, sound check. Yesterday, our captain said that, oh, it was like you were speaking from a bottle. Is the sound okay, everybody? Sound check. Anyway, let's progress, all right? I watched a few videos on YouTube how to buffer and buffer, so we're going to see. Anyway, adjust the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. We finished yesterday, right, everybody? We were talking about Euro New Zealand daily chart. Give it a second, classes. Euro New Zealand daily chart. Yeah, I'm going to wait for a few. I need a few YouTubers, student traders on YouTube. Yeah, they're always late, right? Alright, so let's connect the dots. In the Forex market, we're trading patterns. What makes the money is the appropriate use of the stop loss level, and to have a better probability, you need to understand alignments. Alright, so this was AUD CAD out, AUD NSD out, and we were at Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand weekly chart. Oh, Euro GBP out. What? We don't have Euro New Zealand? Euro New Zealand? Euro New Zealand, we're going to clone chart and we're going to go on the daily chart again. Daily chart again. Out, 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 out. Now this one. Give me a second. All right. We are here. Euro New Zealand. Daily chart, right? Daily chart. And we start from the monthly chart. From the monthly chart, just to have the ABCD, just to have the starting point. A to B, Euro New Zealand, A to B. Now, let's go on the daily chart just to have a reference. And we had a homework yesterday, right? We had the homework. And we said then the market reversed. And we did up. And the market reversed down. And then, well, here we are. We need to start from here again. Euro New Zealand daily chart. How is sound, everybody? Is the sound okay? Sound check, sound check. What is the sound like that I'm speaking from a bottle or a tank? Is sound okay, everybody? YouTubers, would you be so kind and type in the chat sound okay? Or is there a buffering, or it's a background noise? How is the sound? Is the sound okay? Sound check, sound check. Or is the sound like, oh, that I'm kilometers, miles away and I'm talking? How is the sound? Or give me a second, everybody. I need to. Is the sound okay? Sound check, sound check. Yeah, I try to, so I can go here and I have filters, you know. Everybody, is the sound okay? Or is it that I'm speaking from a bottle? Is the sound okay? I can move it up or down, so maybe if I do like this, better. Is it better now? Sound? Sound check, sound check, sound check. Okay, but a tiny canyon like. Thank you, Melissa. What about now? Is it better? Sound check, sound check. Is it better now or is it worse? Is it better now? Better now, alright. So maybe even better now? Better now, alright. Thank you very much. Sound check, sound, alright. So yesterday, everybody, we had a homework. Did you do the homework, everybody? The homework was find the most recent Fibonacci on Euro New Zealand daily chart. Did you do the homework? Alright, so let's do it together. Alright, everybody. So we're going to have the A, it's up in here, down in here, B is the first high. As soon as possible after the A, we're going to have the C, which is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, and then we have the appropriate extension. Alright, A, B, C, D. So A to B, from here to here, and give me a second, we're going to do it like this. There you go. A to B, B to C, and do this with me, everybody. Practice, practice, practice. So we hit the blue, right? We hit the blue. So the appropriate extension is the blue, right? As you can see, the market didn't stop at the blue, so we are looking for the next high, which is up in here. So that's the D. And we're going to readjust the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. As always, you know the practice. A goes to C and B goes to D, right? B goes up to here, B goes to D. We're going to spread the Fibonacci retracement tool and move forward the sequence. We are charting, we want to figure out the latest original Fibonacci. So, A, B, C, D, everybody. Now, do we agree that this is the lowest point inside the AB boundary after the B, everybody? Do we agree? Type in the chat, yes. And if you agree, green goes to green, so horizontal line, and as you can see, the market formed a high at the D, right? Agreed? So we have a new Fibonacci sequence, right? As always, A goes to C, and B goes up to D, right? Yeah, it goes on the high, exactly. And B goes on the D. There you go. This is the next Fibonacci sequence. And everybody, now that's the C, right? Help yourself with the horizontal line. Did we hit the red? Did we hit the red? I don't know, I'm not sure. So we're going to zoom in the chart, and no, we didn't hit the red, so it's still blue. Blue goes to blue, right? So blue goes to blue, and so that's the C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. And again, as you can see, everybody, the market did not stop at the blue. So we are looking for the very next high in an up Fibonacci sequence. Moving the D, searching for a high, searching for a high. Bam, that's the high. So we're going to move the horizontal line to this high. That's the extension. All right, everybody? Now, if it helps you, you can also do like this. You know, you can go A to B, B to C, C to D. A to B, B to C, C to D. A to B, B to C, C to D. I mean, there is no right or wrong. Makes sense? If it helps you. There is no right or wrong. If this messes up, you know, the visual, you know, you can clean the previous Fibonacci's. There is no right or wrong. Or if you prefer to have the sequence, the ABCD on the chart, you can connect the ABCDs, all right? There is no right or wrong. All right, everybody? And don't confuse the market wave with the ABCDs. So this is just a trick I'm going to delete. So one more time, you know the practice. A goes to C, which is in here. B goes to D, which is up in here. That's the B. I need to move the D away, so whoops. That's the B, the first one. Fibonacci retracement tool. And we have a new Fibonacci sequence. So we are charting. We're charting again. We're moving forward. We're also trying to see if the market is going to stop us out. Not yet. So not yet. We need to continue the sequence. So that's the C, right? This is the lowest point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hits the appropriate extension. The retracement went to the green, so the projected extension is going to be the green. All right, so we are moving forward, looking for a high, and bam. I'm going to zoom in. This is where the market hit the extension. Is that a high? Yes, it is. That's a high. All right, so I'm going to zoom out this time, zoom out, and as always, A goes to C. We are readjusting the Fibonacci in an uptrend. A goes to C, and B goes up to D. Give it a second. That's the B. Fibonacci retracement tool from B to A, and we have a new Fibonacci sequence. We can zoom out again to see if the market stops us out. Maybe not yet. All right, not yet. So we need to move forward. All right, so A, B, C, D. Give it a second. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. All right, everybody. Which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Is the third circle the C? Or is the fourth circle the C? Which one is the correct C? What do you think? What do you think, everybody? The second one. Melissa says the second one, so let's see which one is the lowest low. Yes, correct, that's the C, very good. Excellent, that's the C. What about the D? Now let's see if this is a high. Let's see if that's the high. All right. Is the first circle the D? Everybody, is the first circle the D? Is the second circle the D? Or is the third circle the appropriate extension? We found the C. Melissa, you're correct. The second one. What about the appropriate extension? Is the first circle, is the second circle, or is the third circle? The second one. Well, we need to go here, everybody, and let's put a horizontal line on the red and move on the right, move on the right, move on the right. And what do you think? Still the second circle? The red line needs to touch, correct? Yes. What do you think, everybody? Is still the second circle the correct one, the D extension? Or is the first circle the correct D extension? Which one? Is the first circle the D? Or is the second circle the D? Which one is the correct answer? The first. Very good, excellent. So out this one, out this one, out this one. Whoops. Out this one, that's the D. And as always, C, A goes, whoops, A goes to C, and B goes to D, right? That's the B. Fibonacci retracement tool from B to down to here. If I'm not mistaken, give it a second. There you go. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. All right, everybody, so what about now? What should we do? Any ideas? Do we agree, everybody, that the market is going to stop us out on the A? Do we agree? Do we agree? Now, let me first trick you. Which one? You want to learn the Fibonacci, right, everybody? So which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? Let's go step by step. Which one is the correct C? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? Yeah, we're going to be stopped out, but still we have things to learn in understanding about the ABCD sequence. Back in time, this was the chart. Which one is the C? Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. The first one is the C, everybody. The first one. Why? Why? The C is the retracement related to the D extension. Can you see, everybody, that the market retraced after the B and it went to the D? Can you see it, everybody? Bam! Can you see, everybody? That's the sequence. Alright? This is how you must learn the Fibonacci's. This is how you must understand the Fibonacci's. That's the C, because the market hit the D up in here. That's the sequence. Alright? Now, that being said and explained, hopefully. Alright, so now let's move forward and let's address that the market is going to stop us out on the A, right? Where's the A? A, B, C, D. Alright. That's the A in here. So the market is going to stop us out on the A. Alright, everybody? And then, so what should we do? We should start charting down A, B, C, D's. Make sense? Yes, due to the high. Alright. So everybody listen to me. Listen up, listen up, listen up. 80% of you are not going to listen to me, and you are going to speculate, and you are going to start the up ABCDs starting from here. Make sense? Because you assume that the market is going to stop you out somewhere down. Does this make sense to you? You are assuming, oh, the market is going to stop me out for sure somewhere, so now I'm going to draw the up Fibonacci. This is the wrong way to go. Make sense? We need to, what's the word in English? We need to pick up our sleeves and start do the right things. So, start charting the down ABCD. And if the market stops us out, well, we have a confirmation, we have a visual confirmation. So that's the A, and not sure about this one. Let me see if this is a low. Double check. Widget. So low 183.198, 183.24, 1924. So yeah, that's a low. So this is the ABCD going down, right? This is the A. We're going to do the same, just in the opposite direction. That's the B. That's the B. And everybody, ABCD, ABCD, give me a second. Yeah, going down this time. ABCD. Everybody, which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Or is the second circle the C? Which one is the C? Those are all great examples how to learn the Fibonacci's. First, give me a second. Exactly, the first one. That's the C, correct. And as always, green goes to green, so green goes to green. We are going to horizontal line and down in here. As you can see, everybody, we have a low in here. And as always, A goes to C, down here. And of course, B goes to D, right? Must be a low. That's the B, give it a second. That's the B. And we have a new Fibonacci sequence. A, B, C, D, A to B, give me a second. A to B. Now we're moving forward, 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 forward. Everybody, which one is the new C? Is the first circle the C? Or is the second circle the C? Which one is the C? And down here, green goes to green, right? So we're going to have the extension to somewhere in here. Which one is the C, everybody? The second one, correct, very good. That's the C. So A goes to C, everybody. We are readjusting the Fibonacci's. And B goes down to D, right? It must be a low. So A goes to C, B goes to D. We're going to zoom in. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. So need to move lower. That's the B. Alright. And new Fibonacci sequence to go down. Widget. So from here to up to here, A, B, C, D. Let's see if the market is going to stop us out for the up Fibonacci. Give it a second, give it a second. Bam! Do we agree, everybody, that the market stop us out? Do we agree? The market stop us out on the down Fibonacci? Yes, right? So where should we start the new A? That's the question. Should we start our A at the B, first arrow? Should we start our A at the second arrow? Should we start our A at the third arrow? I'm going to make it thicker. First arrow, second arrow, third arrow. Or should we start at the fourth arrow? Everybody? you can see that the market stop us out on the down ABCD. Which one is the right place to start the new up? Fibonacci. The third one. Very good. Congratulations, Melissa. You are learning. Congratulations. Proud of you. Proud of you. So that's the A. We're going to delete this one, not relevant anymore. And let's start the up Fibonacci's. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So this is the A. That's the A. The B is the first high. As soon as possible. The B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. That's the B. Horizontal line. Fibonacci retracement tool. A, B, C, D. The C is the next candle. It doesn't need to be a low. It could be a low, but it doesn't need to necessarily. So, A, B, C, D. That's the C. This candle, can you see everybody? This blue candle is the C. It's not a low. It's not a low, it's just a candle. Alright? And green goes to green, so horizontal line, bam! That's the D. Alright? So moving forward, A goes to C level. That's the A. And this candle, not a low. B goes up to D. B goes up to D. Give it a second. B goes up to D. And from here to here. New Fibonacci sequence. A, B, C, D. One more time. That's the C. Green goes to green. This is the green. Here is the high. That's the D, right? And as always, let's readjust the Fibonacci in an uptrend. A goes to C. We're going to move the C. And B goes up to D. B goes up to D. Up in here. Fibonacci retracement tool. We have a new Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci, there you go. A, B, C, D. And wow, zooming out. What can you see, everybody? Did the market stop us out on our ABCD again? Did the market stop us out? Yes, again, right? The market stop us out on the A. Are we going to waste our time charting the down Fibonacci? No, why not? Because you can see that the market is going to stop us out on the down Fibonacci back up in here. So we are going to start our A starting from here, right? See, everybody, it's not that difficult, right? It's just repetition, repetition, repetition of the concepts, right? This is the A, the B is the first high, as soon as possible. After the A, B, C, D, green goes to green, green goes to green, so that's the C. And so give me a second. That's the B. Let's see if that's the high. So, no, it's not a high. The market didn't hit the... Douglas, you're the boss. The boss is here. Douglas, you're the boss. I'm just humble. I'm a humble servant, you know. So, the market didn't hit the extension. Moving forward, looking for the high, looking for a high, looking for a high. Bam! That's the D. That's the D this time. So A goes to C, right? A goes to C and B goes up to here. That's the B. New Fibonacci sequence from B to A. And moving forward. Moving forward, moving forward. Give it a second, everybody. Fibonacci is very precise, so there you go. A, B, C, D. Now let's see if the market hit the extension. Zooming out, zooming out, zooming out. All right, let's see. Let's see. So the number of the D extension, everybody, the green number is 1.75511, and this candle is 17549, so it's a little bit lower. It's a little bit lower, right? So the market did not hit this D extension. You must be very precise, right? Now, which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? Which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? The third, congratulations, the third one. So that's the C, as always, green, right? That's the A. We're moving A to C. Now we're going to go here. This is the extension, and we need to find the high, right? We need to find the high. So the very first high, not a high, not a high. That's not a high. That's not, bam, up in here. That's the high. Huge Fibonacci this time. So B goes to D, right? And B goes to, up in here, B goes to D. Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's move forward. Let's move forward. And we are here right now. That's the C, that's the D. Calm down, sir. You went too high. Well, I didn't. We must obey the rules, everybody. Make sense? You must find a high. Make sense, everybody? You went too high. Well, we can double check, right? We can double check. We can double check. We can double check. So let's double check, right? So starting from the horizontal line here, moving forward, that's not a high. That's not a high, Melissa. That's not a high. That's not a high. Bam, that's the high. Do we agree? The B is the high. All right? The market didn't hit the extension here, everybody. Oh, boss, it was just for a pip. It doesn't matter. One pip, one pipette, one chocolate, you know, one marshmallow. Didn't hit. Alright, everybody, give me a second. Give me a second, everybody. Very good. Operation closed. Douglas is the boss. Douglas, can I show your account? Hedge fund trader Douglas, can I show your account? So everybody talking about the Fibonacci's. If the monthly Fibonacci is up and the weekly Fibonacci is up and the daily Fibonacci is up, how should you trade this sucker? Should you be worrying and stressing and everybody? That's Douglas. You can connect with Douglas online on Skype. Everybody, you can connect on Skype, Education FX Passion. Alright? And Douglas, where is Douglas? Give it a second, everybody. That's Douglas. All of those are pending orders, don't worry, everybody. Count history. Douglas deposited 5,000. Trading gift came 45. And all history. Douglas, it's up 250. Congratulations to Douglas. Douglas made $2,500. All right. Starting from 13th of February. 1 month. 1 month. All right, everybody. If you want to talk to traders from my group, connect on Skype. You can talk to Douglas, you can talk to Araldo, you can talk to Thiago, you can talk to Gianpaolo, you can talk to Matthias, you can talk to Javen, you can talk to Ernesto, and so on and so on and so on. You can talk to Yanis. Alright, everybody? All of those are funded traders. So I hope you are pumped up, everybody, because trading really it's a learnable skill. Make sense? You should be pumped up, everybody. Let's see the report. All right. There you go. That's Douglas. Nice, huh? Douglas, we're proud of you. Keep doing good. Keep doing good. Consecutive winners, 27. Consecutive losers, 5. Average winner, 38. Average loser, 27. Douglas, you are trading like a professional trader. Congratulations to you. I mean, we are not over yet the Forex course 202, the money phase, but congratulations to you. All right. Keep doing good. Keep doing good. All right, everybody. Why are we showing this? Because Douglas is trading the Fibonacci's. All right. But it's also true that Douglas went through the Fibonacci mastery 2 times. It's all about education. All right, everybody? So, just to finish for today, if the monthly Fibonacci on Euro New Zealand is up, and the weekly Fibonacci on Euro New Zealand is up, and the daily Fibonacci on Euro New Zealand is up, what do you think? How should you trade? Direction-wise. Makes sense to have a better probability. Does this make sense? Oh, boss, but I'm a day trader. I don't care. I don't care. You would have a better chance of success even if you're a day trader if you wait and you try to buy. I mean, I'm not your father. I cannot tell you what to do. But anyways, alright everybody, see you back tomorrow with another Fibonacci lesson. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like Douglas the boss. And this is the boss.